How to get my WhatsApp link. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on any chat you want after you log into your account. Then in the message, type in wa.me/plus. Then after plus, you need to add your country code from which your number is. My country code is 988, so I'll type 988. After that, you can simply write your number without space. After you write your number, simply click on send and then your WhatsApp link will pop up. And this is how to get my WhatsApp link. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.